Morning, Wolverines. What we're going to do today is learn how to use the drone simulation program. Now, to use the simulation program, you'll need to pick up one of the Xbox controllers at the front of the classroom. Next thing you need to do is, well, how do you get to it? So what you're seeing in front of you there, here's one of our Lab PC's desktops. Go down here to the folder icon, click on that. Then you want to click on this PC. Then where it says local disk C, double click that, and it should be at the top folder. It says DRL simulator. Double click to get into it, and then finally DRL. You double click to start the program up. Once you got the program started up, it takes a second. Okay, there's the program. What you want to pick is single player. You can pick either of the levels, and you want free flight mode. And your task, once the simulator comes up, is to learn how to control it. How do you fly this? What do the different buttons do? How do I know to do this? How do you control its flight? And essentially, that's all. Have a great day. See you next time.